To show notification content from a specific app on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra lock screen, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification. Tap lock screen notification. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Next, select show content. Tap the setting icon next to show content. And then select the desired app that can show content in lock screen notification. As the example, we will select WhatsApp. By doing this, now if you receive notification from WhatsApp while your phone screen is off, when you go to your lock screen and tap the notification icon, you will be able to see the content of the notification like this. As a note, if you enable pop-up notification, your phone will also display notification content from the selected app on the pop-up. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.